Hi, I'm Bob Balch with the That's Jesus channel. On Easter Sunday, we are launching something I've been building for a long time, a study on baptism. This isn't a pamphlet or a sermon series. This is a full study, and it does not stop with the ancient world. This series is going to cover the movements that shaped how baptism is practiced right now. The Anabaptists who were drowned for rejecting infant baptism, the Restoration movement that made baptism the dividing line of salvation, the Pentecostal explosion that distinguished water baptism from spirit baptism, ecumenical dialogues where traditions that haven't really been together in 500 years found some common ground. And we're going to look at the pastoral questions that churches are dealing with today, like should someone be rebaptized? Where does it fit into membership? And when someone's baptism counts? About a dozen episodes just on that stretch. And then the series asks the hardest question after all of the evidence: what do Christians actually agree on? And where do we still disagree and why? On top of all that, there will be dozens of bonus episodes, interviews with pastors and theologians, people from lots of different movements, each one speaking for themselves. The series on baptism begins Sunday, April 5th, 2026, Easter Sunday, with new episodes dropping every Sunday after that, trying to wrap it up by Easter of 2028. We'll see you there. I'm Bob Balch with the That's Jesus channel. Have a great day and be blessed.